Yeah. Now don't do too much on my damn room, man. Room a little messy or whatever, but how we feeling? How we feeling? You know, I think we gonna make something of it, all right? I think we gonna stick with it. It's decent. Gonna throw on my 11s.
Yo, what's going on? I know y'all are probably looking at this video like, Dorian, we have no context. We have no info on what in the world you are doing. What's going on, man? Hey, guys, I'm sorry. I truly am, okay? I was going through the video editing and realized no audio on my first clip, so I had to completely delete my intro clip for my vlog. Anyways, it's a behind-the-scenes video for a brand called Pen and Millions. Absolutely amazing brand, best brand around where I live. It's owned by Savion. Shout out Savion. Savion's hit me for absolutely everything that he needs done, from photos to videos to anything that he can think. And yeah, man, I've actually done a shoot after this. I did the pants, absolutely amazing clothes. I actually own 2 jackets and 3 pairs of sweatpants. It's been a minute. Hey, put down below what y'all would like to see: Q&A, vlogs, day in the life, just like what's in my backpack, Q&As, like anything that y'all could. Anywho, let's get to the vlog, man. I really hope y'all enjoy. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.
Yeah, we're gonna get on the road. It's almost time. At 7:38, Savion just started sharing his location, so we know where to meet up, link up. I still got to get all of this ready. Like, that's bad. That's real bad. Like, that's that's some devious stuff, man. Let me tell you. But we gonna get it ready. I'm gonna load everything up in the car. Y'all gonna see that, and then we gonna get on our way. Let's go. You made it seem like you was a minute. Damn! A damn minute. Bro. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. I'm doing like behind the scenes stuff. So I do photography full time. So why? Decent. Cars is a big one. Cars is hard for me. I don't enjoy it, but I'm doing rollers soon, so. Damn. Oh, hold up. All right, you glitching now, bro. Why are you just looking at it? Are we just starting without him? You know they ain't gonna be able to hear you worth that shit, right? Okay. I was gonna say.
Yo, colors, right. Hey, yeah, get us to me? No.
That kind of decent. And then yeah, she could be in the middle of y'all. We gonna go just. Okay.
Y'all gotta smile.
I'm just taking a couple test shots, making sure my.
I like that.
Good.
I think y'all two.
Yeah, no, tell me.
Yeah, that's tough.
Okay, you like how background is, everything like that. I don't know if we could do something over here. We might be able to, I don't know. All right, we just gonna do some shots without him real quick. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's raw.
He's decent.
I think I shouldn't have had my head down. That's raw though.
You want your head up, you said? All right, cool. We're gonna do that one more time, y'all. If you were fixing your jacket last time, fix your pants. If you were fixing your pants, fix your jacket. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. I'm gonna step back just a little bit more real quick. All right. Okay, so y'all trust me now. So I'm decent at what I do.
Yeah, we've been through that though. That's why I called you.
Of course. And,
oh yeah, oh my God. That's
yeah?
enough.
Okay. All right, now I'm gonna have all the boys stand up. I'm gonna have, yep, you go to the outside. I'm gonna have you scoot in. Have you stand up, go straight in the middle, yep. I had a question for you. I had told you were the trustworthy one here. Yeah, you. Okay, so if we were to have our guys go up in the middle or even right here, would you be able to do a trick either in front of them or behind them? Oh, what do you mean?
So like you could stand down by the like umbrella thing.
Okay.
And then like angle it up this way. And go
Yeah.
there, and then I'll be like over here on there. Here, I'll just do it real quick.
Okay. Oh, all right, so I'm gonna have y'all kind of bowl around here. Okay.
What did you say? You see what I'm talking about?
Like how they're layered?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's
Okay.
perfect. So I'm gonna have you do the same thing. No, I'm gonna have you go. Yep, there you go. Beautiful. There. I just want to see what I'm getting here, though. That's only. Go there. You're good. Go on the other side. I'll have you scoot that way just a little bit. Right there. Come up in this way. Right there. Here he comes. That's what I'm getting.
Oh my god, that's looking tough.
Okay.
That's tough, bro.
Yeah, it do look good.
Oh shit, that's clean.
Can I have you do it one more time for me?
Yeah, I got you.
And then if we need you for like one more place, is that cool? Yeah. Perfect. I appreciate you. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, that one looking better.
Ooh, my bad. Let me know when you're ready. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, that's hard as fuck.
Okay, so I'm gonna scoot this back just a little bit here. Beautiful.
Look at that camera right there.
I didn't realize that these were different.
Oh yeah, this is violet. This is
I'm colorblind. I can't see
oh,
that.
you are for real?
Yeah, I swear to God, I kid you not. I
Damn,
literally
your photos
couldn't
still
see
be
it. Bro.
hard. That's crazy.
What's he trying to say? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. However y'all think, I'm gonna let you do that thing because I can't tell the damn difference. They all look the same. Is that bad? That's bad, right? That's bad. I can't see the difference. Oh my Lord. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let me check. Let me try that again. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so y'all three are gonna be the main focus, and they're just kind of.
That's decent.
It is, but
like that. I think we're gonna have him sit down.
have him sit down.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm gonna scoot that light a little closer then. How are you gonna have him? Actually, can I have you sit up on that ledge there? You sit down in the middle, and you sit up on the ledge as well. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, on this one. Okay. I'm actually gonna grab a photo of y'all three together real quick. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Damn, brother, you look majestic, girl. That's hard.
Decent.
I think it should be a little lighter though.
A little lighter.
Yeah, it's a little dark.
Well, I can also edit it too.
Okay, yeah, you did say you can edit that, yeah.
Okay, let me. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Dang, you ain't like your mama, girl. Yeah, that's tough.
That's better? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, kind of fix y'all jackets, y'all pants, shoes, whatever y'all gotta do. Beautiful. There you go. Awesome. What'd you say? All right.
Yeah, tough.
Yeah? Decent? Okay, I'm gonna have y'all go in front of them now. Yeah, no, there's no way I'm hitting them. I'm barely getting her. Just y'all three? I'm gonna see. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. This is kind of hard. I'm gonna fix the light, but this photo alone's kind of hard. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep, go ahead, kind of fix y'all hoodies, fix y'all hair, fix y'all pants, whatever y'all need. Beautiful, awesome.
They tough though.
Beautiful, thank you. Sorry, that's. I need one. I have one more request from you. Okay, so like I was kind of saying, up in the middle there, if they stand facing that way, or can they face this way? And you jump up in front of them at all, or no?
On this ramp right here.
In the middle, in that little middle dip kind of thing?
Yeah, and I'll just come up between them. So,
Yeah, in front of them or no?
well, how do you want me to do it? You just want me to like go up there real quick?
I don't. What can you do there? Because they're gonna be standing in a line up top.
Oh,
Can
up
you just like?
top.
Yes.
I can't do the up and down. So.
No. Okay, maybe that too. Hey, big dog, can I request something from you? Oh, he ain't paying no attention. Can I request something from you? Okay, so I'm gonna have my people stand up on the top of that middle. What do you say? A red quarter? Something like that. Up in the middle right there. If you could just go up and down, like just how you just did. You know what I'm saying? Could you do that for me? All right, let me get set up and then I'll just call you up. I appreciate you. Thank you, brother. For real.
Yeah, man.
Is that better? Okay, give me 1 second. Hold up. Let me just make sure I got all my shit straight. All right, y'all ready? Go ahead. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all ready? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead, kind of fix yourselves and whatnot. Yeah, beautiful, perfect. Awesome. I'm actually gonna have you, Savion, go behind her.
because y'all are gonna layer. You guys scoot this way just a little bit. Nope, nope, Because y'all two are in the middle, I'm gonna have, yep, you're perfect. I'm gonna have you tilt. So, yep, just like that. Go behind, go back a little bit, right there, yep. There you go, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yep, look, hey, yep, do that, kind of look off. You was do exactly what you were doing, look where you were looking, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
You know, you can't always make it too sweet. You always gotta
Cool.
Yeah, I like them.
Don't tell me you like them if you don't like them.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you this.
Because I'm always going to like them. 3, 2, 1. Give me 1 second. I'll tell you. Yep, yep. I just thought about that. Go ahead and start fixing yourselves. Beautiful. Go ahead, shake up. And walk off. Go ahead. Shake up. Walk off. My damn light. That's decent. That's decent. Beautiful. All right, well, let's get out of here before these bugs really attack y'all. I'll show y'all at the next spot. Yeah, we're definitely not catching the lights. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, awesome. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, them decent. Oh, my phone fucking. I don't like my phone in my pocket.
Okay.
You can hold my phone, TK?
Here, I got it.
I think I'm doing enough. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he's doing enough. Oh, then I got y'all walking away, but y'all were a little too far from me. So, we'll see. I'll see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Longer than that, you're considered loitering. You can be fined by the city and banned from property.
I thought you told us if we didn't have our cars up here, we could shoot.
That's period. You can shoot, but you got that time limit, 10, 15
Oh,
minutes.
see, I didn't know that.
That's what I was trying to explain to you.
Oh, I thought you just said that about the cars. That's why we moved the cars. Otherwise, we'd have just stayed here.
That's my bad. I didn't explain
No, that's
that
okay.
fully.
No, we appreciate you. Yeah, I would say we only need a couple more minutes anyways.
Like I said, you're good. As long as you're
Thank
stay
you.
within 10, 15.
Perfect.
You're fine. Anyone else comes on up here, they will be spoken to, and either I'll have P come and take them away because they're trespassing.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate
I don't
you.
do physical contact for my safety, man. I
Oh,
carry too much
perfect.
to hurt people.
Cool, thank you.
Have a good night, y'all.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through with it because I said it. So who? Yeah. I'm gonna have you guys go to that side, and I'm gonna have you go in the middle of them. So you're right here, and you're gonna face that way.
And then he gonna come. He coming in here too?
Yes. So, yep, I'm gonna have you go that side. You need me to hold that? And I'm gonna have you go in there too, with her. I think, like real deal, I think Amazon. I think Amazon for like $30, I swear to God. I'm gonna have you go right here. Hold up. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. One second, I'm trying to look at something. Perfect. It's a little slanted. I was trying to shoot as much as I could, so.
I fuck with those.
And these ones gonna be hard.
Yeah. Go ahead, put the hoodie on real quick. Gotta show that. You like the sign? Okay. Yep, do the hood again. Kind of look off. Yep, there you go. Beautiful, awesome. Fix your pants. Yep, I'm gonna take that real fast. There you go. Kind of just like that. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna have you rotate now. I wanna see this real quick. I got you all fucked up. There you go, right there. Okay, Awesome. I got what I needed.
Shorty for shorty.
Appreciate you.